Peace. All right. So the moon's still in Cancer right now. It'll be coming out. It'll be coming out of Cancer sometime today, going into Leo. So I just had a thought I want to share. New moon still need to be writing down. You gotta do it 3 days in a row. The day before the new moon, the day of the new moon, the day after the new moon. I mean that's how the science got presented to me. You know what I mean? I always do it in threes. Everything in threes. Whatever you want to manifest, do it in threes. Prayers, threes, always. So anyway, and that's what day 33 is about. They masonry, blah blah blah, bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's science to this stuff, okay? I mean, it's reasons why they do this stuff. Like, we can't, no, don't throw the baby out with the bathwater just because it's so-called. Oh, my phone ringing. It said my recording will be stopped. Man, fuck. Anyway, man, go off in this emotion. So the point is, I'm writing my book. Was I in the middle of saying something? Phone call fucked it up. Anyway, I'm writing my book. And like I say, I've started a lot of books. Like, I got like a couple books written. Well, I got like a couple books, like 20 pages written on them. You know what I'm saying? Like, nowhere near finishing them. Not even halfway done. Just having the concept down and kind of abandoning it. Sometimes it's based on more studies and more information. Sometimes it's just self-doubt. You know, I'll be real. But, you know, more time into this stuff, you know, I'm gaining more confidence in myself, whoop-de-whoop. Especially when I do charts on people, because all I keep hearing is how on point I am. You know what I'm saying? Like, I put the science out there to be scrutinized. I want to actually know this stuff. I'm not trying to get YouTube subscribers and none of that old shit. I'm trying to actually know some science that can actually help people. That's my goal. That was my goal from the jump. That's gonna always be there. Shouldn't use the word goal. Anyway, that's my mission. You know, that's my mission statement, to uplift fallen humanity, like the Prophet Noble Drew Ali said. I mean, hey, it is what it is. That's what I believe. So my point is, what was my point? Oh, so I'm writing my book, and you know, some of the hardest parts for me is just starting something and being okay with how I started something. And I've done that now with this, and I feel good about it. And it's, you know, there's like in a unique situation, you know what I mean, for me personally. So I feel good. I'm going in on it, and it's gonna be good. But my point was, I still ain't got to my damn point. The reason why you want to understand this type of stuff, all right? It's so many reasons why you wanna know these metaphysics. But okay, number one, quantum physics. Quantum physics has proven that the quintessential elements are particle, right? The atom, the electron, proton, and neutron, right? These particles do not become actual particles until they are observed. Okay? When they are not observed by human eyes, they become waves. Meaning they become the ether, they become the spirit, unseen. Okay? So you as a human being literally create matter. Literally. Quantum physics. Okay, when they look at the atom, it be the element, the subparticles within it become particles. The atom, they can see it. I mean, the proton, the electron. But when they put a camera on it and don't look at the camera, it's a wave. Look at I mean, I got the video. I show you in the book, Holographic Universe. Michael Talbert. They tell you. I got a video about it. I read it to you. So the point is that you create reality. You literally are God. In the Bible, in John chapter 1, it says, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God. And then it says, in him was life. No. The word was the light. God was I can't remember verbatim. God was the light, and in him and in man was the light, or some shit like that. But just go read 1 through 4, 1 through 6 really, because then it says, and the light shineth, and the darkness comprehended not. Meaning that God is within man. It says it right there in John. It's basically saying what quantum physics says. It says nothing was created without him. And he was in the light of man. He is in the heart of man, or something like that. I can't remember verbatim. But anyway, the point is, you create reality. We as human beings, okay, black, red, white, and all that, don't matter, create reality. All right. So your subconscious is what is God. This is what projects your reality out into your eyes. All right. This is a hologram. The physical realm is a hologram. You know that just by knowing that everything is made up of atoms. So whatever you're looking at its core is made up of a whole bunch of little tiny little particles. So it's a hologram. Whatever it is you're looking at, the very world I'm riding on is made up of atoms. Okay? If they decided to split apart for whatever impossible reason, then this road wouldn't exist and you fall into nothingness. You see what I'm saying? So this is a hologram. Okay? So the point is, these movies and shit, they project certain images into your subconscious, and then you manifest those type of situations in your life. Through your mind, through your thoughts, through your words, through your deeds. And we can look at all our so-called black hit movies. Menace to Society, Boys in the Hood, fucking Baby Boy, like niggas getting shot, niggas in the hood, blah 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 blah. And what did we manifest in the late 90s, early 2000s? All right, like it ain't even rocket science. You just look at this shit and tell. It's simple, and that's what the numerology and shit is about. Your subconscious programs your mind. I mean, your subconscious runs your reality, but your conscious mind programs and is supposed to control your subconscious. You're supposed to direct that into what you're trying to do. But see, that's why they got you entertained. I told you, entertainment means holding your mind in place. If they can hold your conscious mind, they can do whatever the fuck they want to your subconscious. Right? And that's why so many people fucked up today. The greatest deception, and I believe that the great deception that spoke about in the Bible and a lot of the mythologies and things, is the TV in general. TV itself. That is the greatest deception ever in history. You understand what I'm saying? So the point is for you to understand this information consciously. That way you block it from entering your subconscious. You see what I'm saying? Once you know it, you can say, oh, that's what that is. Then the emotion won't affect you the same. You see? Once you see that they running a Jesus story, the Jesus motif, because you study mythologies, right? Then you won't find yourself attracted to this character in this movie. Some white guy who's a hero, blah 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 blah. Playing doing the Jesus thing, the savior role in movies. They all do them. Fucking what is Jason Bourne? Jason is Jesus in Greek. It ain't even hard once you just read a few things. But the point is, and I was gonna go to some more, but 9 minutes I done went rambling. The point is, the reason for studying is to control your mind, because your mind is the most powerful thing in your universe. It's your mind. As above, so below. The above comes first. The above is the mind. Okay? Heaven and earth. Heaven, mind, earth, physical. So, educate yourself. Holler at me and get you a reading on yourself. You need to know yourself. That's what this is about. You know thyself. So, peace and love. I'm at my destination. Take it easy.